Are you looking at best skateboard helmets? Longboards come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, each designed for specific purposes. Whether you're cruising around town, carving downhill, or simply exploring new terrains, the right longboard matters. Deck length, wheel size, and flex determine your ride's feel. Beginners might prefer longer decks for stability. List number: Retrospec Z Longboard Skateboard Complete Cruiser, Bamboo and Canadian Maple Wood Cruiser with reverse kingpin trucks for commuting. Explore the thrill of the ride with the Retrospec Z Longboard Skateboard. Crafted from bamboo and Canadian maple wood, it ensures durability and style. Its reverse kingpin trucks offer smooth turns and stable rides, perfect for commuting, cruising, carving, and downhill adventures. Enjoy every journey with this reliable and stylish longboard. Advantages: crafted with precision. The Retrospec Z Longboard boasts a sleek design. Bamboo and Canadian maple wood ensure durability and flexibility. Perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides. Exceptional stability. Reverse kingpin trucks offer smooth turns and control. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned riders. Versatile riding experience. Great for cruising, carving, and downhill adventures. Enjoy an adaptable ride anytime. Eco-friendly choice. Natural materials make it a sustainable option. Ride with a clear conscience. Effortless gliding. The longboard's design reduces friction on various surfaces. Enjoy a smooth ride every time. List number: Magneto 44-inch Kicktail Cruiser Longboard Skateboard, Bamboo and Hard Maple Deck. Discover the thrill of cruising with the Magneto 44-inch Kicktail Cruiser Longboard Skateboard. Crafted from durable bamboo and hard maple, it offers strength and style. Ideal for adults, teens, and kids, this skateboard suits all ages. The vibrant blue design catches the eye and adds fun to every ride. Enjoy smooth glides and easy maneuverability with this top-notch longboard. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned skaters alike. Advantages: cruising comfortably. The 44-inch length offers smooth, stable rides. Durable deck. Bamboo and hard maple ensure lasting strength and flexibility. For everyone, suitable for adults, teens, and kids of all ages. Easy maneuvering. Kicktail design enhances control during turns and tricks. Stylish appearance. Blue color adds flair to your skating adventures. List number: Volador Urban Freeride Pro Longboard Cruiser 40 to 42-inch. Canadian maple wood deck and forged reverse kingpin truck. Experience the thrill of urban commuting with the Volador Urban Freeride Pro Longboard Cruiser. Crafted from durable Canadian maple wood, this board offers both strength and flexibility. The forged reverse kingpin truck ensures smooth and stable rides, perfect for city streets. With its drop-through design, enjoy enhanced control and a lower center of gravity. The vibrant banana tree graphic adds a touch of style to your ride. Ideal for beginners and seasoned riders alike. Advantages: smooth rides are guaranteed with the Canadian maple wood deck. Durable and reliable for daily commutes. The drop-through design offers better stability for beginners and pros. Easier to control at high speeds. Effortless turning with the forged reverse kingpin truck. Navigate urban streets with ease. Comfortable foot space on the 40 to 42-inch longboard. Perfect for long rides across the city. Stylish banana tree design adds flair to urban commuting. Stand out while cruising around town. List number: Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard Cruiser, 27.5 x 7.5 shortboard, Canadian maple deck. Discover the Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard, perfect for kids, teens, and adults. Crafted from durable Canadian maple, bamboo design adds a unique touch. Compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Enjoy smooth rides with its sturdy build. Ideal for beginners and seasoned skaters alike. Advantages: perfect size for easy portability. Fits in backpacks effortlessly. Made from Canadian maple for strength and durability. Bamboo design offers a stylish and modern look. Suitable for kids, teens, and adults. Everyone can enjoy. Shortboard design ensures quick and smooth turns. List number: Santa Cruz Complete Drop-Through Skateboard, Screaming Hand White 10 by 40. Experience the thrill of skateboarding with the Santa Cruz Complete Drop-Through Skateboard. Its sleek design features a striking screaming hand graphic in white. Measuring 10 by 40 inches, this skateboard offers stability and control for smooth rides. Perfect for cruising and carving, it promises endless fun for skaters of all levels. Durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Enjoy the freedom and excitement of skateboarding with Santa Cruz. Advantages: experience smooth rides with the drop-through design for stability. The 10 by 40-inch deck offers ample space for comfortable footing. Durable wheels ensure long-lasting performance on various surfaces. Eye-catching screaming hand design stands out in any crowd, ideal for both beginners and seasoned skateboarders alike.